Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to hide Wi-Fi name from tippling router. When you hide your Wi-Fi name, no one can access on your Wi-Fi. It is impossible to find your Wi-Fi name. How we can do it? Look here, like to use our Wi-Fi name. It is accessible for us. Let us hide our Wi-Fi name from tippling router. Open one browser. First, connect your Wi-Fi with computer. You can connect with Wi-Fi and also you can connect with RJ45 cable. Enter your tippling router IP, then hit enter. Enter your password. Click on login. Here we have wireless. Click on wireless. Then look here, it is our wireless network name. Enter one name for your tippling router. I want to enter like 2. Then uncheck this enable SSID broadcast. Click on save. Now no one can find your Wi-Fi name, just you can find your Wi-Fi name. Let's open the Wi-Fi. Look, like is not accessible for us because we hide our Wi-Fi name. How to get access from Wi-Fi? Click in this ad. Now enter your Wi-Fi name. Before this, don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. When I upload the new video, you will have notification. Our network name was like. It was like 2. Then click on save. Look, now like 2 is accessible for us. Click on your Wi-Fi name, then enter your password. When you enter your password, then click on connect. Look, we successfully connect to this Wi-Fi. Guys, in the end, if you want to change your Wi-Fi password, then watch this video. Have a good day. See you soon.